We are going to reset oil service on 2016 535i F10, like same for all, like 2011 to 2016. F10, F11 is very simple. Just press the start button once, and as soon as you see the car sign, press and hold this button about 5 seconds. Another maintenance menu will pop up. If not, just release the button again and press again. So I'm releasing and pressing again and hold for about 10 seconds. Yeah, it came up here, if you can see. Yeah, we have to do it again. Yeah, press once. It will show rear brake pads. If okay, then press once again. And then like brake fluid, it's okay, press again. And engine oil. Now the third option is engine oil. Press and hold. It will ask reset and press once. Engine oil, press and hold. It will ask reset, release and press again. Reset in progress. That's it. You are all set.